Stop! Don't you dare throw that remote in the trash. You're literally tossing money away, and I'm about to show you why. Most people think their remote is dead just because the buttons are sticky, or it's not responding like it used to. So they go out and spend 20 or 30 bucks on a cheap replacement. But here's the truth. Your remote isn't broken, it's just dirty. A little bit of deep cleaning is usually all it takes to make it work like it just came out of the box. No special tools, no expensive repairs, just a few simple steps that anyone can do at home in under 5 minutes. I'm going to show you the exact professional technique to bring any remote back to life. Stick around until the very end of this video, because if you miss one small detail, you might actually ruin the circuit board for good. Trust me, you'll want to see this.